Hello friends, this is Vidyut Vishwas and welcome to my channel Hidden Gem of Stock Market by Vidyut Vishwas. Friends, today I will discuss about a company named Gujarat Thermis Bioscience Limited. And friends, this is a very small cap company and its market cap only something 350 crores. So obviously then always there is some risks associated with investing at the small cap company. So my request is please use my video for learning purpose only. Still, if you want to invest at this company, then please do your own analysis too, because small cap industries are always risky. But if your analysis will work, then it can be a multi-bagger also. Because we are getting maximum multi-baggers from small cap industry, small caps only. Because small, if the prospect of the small cap industry will good, then obviously it will convert to the mid cap after some day, and mid cap will someday will convert to the large cap. So multivaggers will only come out from these segments only. So friends, this is a very small cap company. So please, first I will start with some technical analysis. Obviously, I will share chart with you. See, first check the daily chart. It's a given very good breakout at the daily chart after some 4 5 month consolidation. See, at this zone it's consolidated and it's given superb breakout with volume. And see that 225 is was the very strong resistance zone. So daily chart as a breakout is very good here. So but you all know that I never rely on only daily chart. I always look to the past data. And see here at the weekly chart also it's given a very good breakout. And but I am not only means uh, because it's obviously given a very good breakout, because I am not only poetic for this type of breakout. I am poetic. See the volume growth here. Amazing volume growth is here. You can't. It is a, as per me, it is a dream volume build up. And also see the monthly chart. Just I will have to remove my these portions. See, see the volume growth at this portion. Amazing volume buildup is here. And also, if you will check the chart, see here, it's given all-time breakout too. And it's having a high at the year of the uh, 1992. And after that, it's consolidated here at this zone. And see with the resistance of the 8990, it's also consolidated for the 20 years. And see up to 1992 to 2020, almost 30 years breakout and with huge volume growth. So this type of breakout never come without any reason. So obviously maybe there is some fundamental change is there, which I don't know today, but obviously some news will come, so that this type of breakout, we got this type of breakout. And friends, check some fundamental also. See, I already told that this is a very small cap company and its market cap only 342 crore. What, see the rows, 83.77%. You can imagine a company having the 83%, 83.77% rows, and row 75.93%. And also that company is giving a dividend yield of the 0.7%. So fundamentally this company is looking very good in terms of rows, in terms of row, and in terms of dividend yield also. And see the sales growth of the 3 year is the sales growth is a 33%. See, this company is having expected to good quarter. Company has delivered good profit growth of the 36.24 CAGR for the last 5 years. Can you imagine? From the last 5 years, its sales growth CAGR is 36.24%, and company has a good return on. Already I discussed. See, also it's available at the lower P compared with its all competitor. And see the sales growth at the March 2000 from the C March 2013 to almost at the 2019. It's don't having that much sales growth. In that time blast at the from the see this time from 2009 to 2012 there is a constant sales, and also from 2013 to 2019 there is a no sales growth that much sales. Obviously there is a 33% sales growth from here to here, but see the sales growth now from 2019 to 2000, it's more than 100%. And also another positive point, see here, for from last 2 3 quarters. See, at the 2017, there is a OPM margin is only 16%, 16%, 16%, 18%, 17%, 19%, 15%, 14%, 11%. So see, from the 2017 September to 2019 September, there is no operational profit margin increase. But see the from 2000 December 2019, March and June, see the operational profit margin constantly from 3 quarter. It's near to the 50% operational profit margin. Can you imagine? Also see the sales growth, and from the see here from the March to still 2019, it's having 18% in sales growth means operating profit margin, but still see from the March 2000, so for the 2020 it's a 37%, and this year also 41%. Actually, this secret why this type of operating profit margin increase, this secret remains at the its product. What is its product and what is it manufacturing? Actually, it's manufacturing the bulk drugs. Bulk drugs means the drugs used for those, actually those are purchased by the formulation company, and they are making main formulation tablets and capsules and syrup using those things. So they are is, and you know all know that bulk drugs we are generally purchasing from the China. And now after the COVID situation, and see from where its operating profit margin increased from the December quarter. And all know that from the December quarter, lockdown has started, means that from that time, outbreak of the COVID from the China has started. So from and after that time, there is so many restriction on the bulk chemical which are importing from the China. So that's why these companies are benefited most uh, for this time, means this type of situation. So he is manufacturing bulk drugs, and his products are also unique. See, what's the product of this? It's a manufacturing generally two bulk drugs. One is a rifamycin, and one is the Lovastin. Lovastin. So rifamycin generally is a drug, and it is the only manufacturer to all over the India, to all over and it's used for the tuberculosis. And which is tuberculosis? I think I pronounce very well. And I think tuberculosis means TB. Now you are very well known with this company, means this word, not TB. And you know the India is the world leader for this disease. and 27% of the TB patients are belongs to India. So you can imagine, na? So those companies now there is some bans and the imports on the China. So those companies are making tablets and capsules and syrups for the TB. So they obviously have to purchase from this company. And Levastin is another drug which is also it is used for the cholesterol. It's at the it's a bulk drug for the cholesterol medicines. So this is also very regular use drugs. I think cholesterol. Many of us are taking medicines for cholesterol, also high cholesterol. And nowadays with the urbanization at the India, so this type of diseases are increasing. Cholesterol is nowadays very regular disease, and maximum people are taking the tablets for the cholesterol. So these drugs also very regular use bulk drugs. So and now also again it's coming the same points in the restriction of the China for the bulk drugs. This company, see here, this company making very two useful bulk drugs. So and those are very well known at the India. So obviously those companies are making medicines for the cholesterol and TB. Though they will have to purchase from this company, and here the secret of this company is remaining. Maybe some expansion plan is there, because as per their annual report they are raising some fund, they are trying to raising some funds. So obviously there is some expansion will come. So as per chart which is showing they having very bright future. Obviously maybe there may be some bright future is coming for this company, because you all know the run how the API making companies are running. And also you all know about the run of the IOLCP, because he also making a bulk drug. I think he is making ibuprofen. That's drugs used for the regularly used for the painkiller. So that company also single run, because they are making a single bulk drugs. And see here this company also making two bulk drugs. So you can imagine the fundamental of this company. So I think I am expecting this company will run. But as per at market, you all know there nothing is guaranteed. So obviously here also I will use some stop loss. So see here breakout level is 225. So if you will close and I will put a stop loss 3% below of the 220. That means it's near about the take it at the 210. So weekly closing basis, I will use stop loss to 210. So if it will close below 210 weekly closing basis, then obviously I will exit from this company. Hope हम लोगों को exit करना नहीं पड़े. Friends, तो it's all about the दिस कंपनी गुजर थर्मिन्स बायोसिंस लिमिटेड. एंड ख़त्म करने के पहले आप लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर मेरा वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है प्लीज़ इसको लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए सबके साथ. एंड फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट, एंड बाय बाय.